All right, today I have a Jeep Wagoneer and I'm going to show you how to lay the seats down flat so you can have an unbelievable amount of cargo space. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful in any way? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so now back to laying the seats down flat. Now, as you can see that the seats are upright, okay? There is a manual way how you can lay the seats down flat, and there's also an automatic way where you press a button and it does it electronically. I'm gonna show you them both, all right? So as you can see, the seats are upright. And one of the main issues with older cars is like you had to take the headrest out in order to pop it down. Now you want to make sure the seats are up far enough to accommodate for the seats laying down flat. But I'm just gonna go ahead and press this button right here and show you what happens. So I press it and it scoots forward. So it doesn't quite do the trick. This is good for getting people in and out of the back, but it's not get the seat down flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and start over, push that back, all right? And so what I'm gonna do is the real way in order to get the seats down flat. And so I'm not pressing this button, that's for getting people in the back. I'm gonna come down here and I'm going to take this lever and I'm going to pull it like that. And the seat lay down flat on this side. Now I'm gonna show you what happened, okay? I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna do it again. Now watch this, watch this. It went down flat, the mechanics is awesome. Okay, so that went down flat. Now we have to get the center seat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pull this, and that one laid down flat right there. We have one on that side, so I'm gonna go over to the other side and get to the other side. So this is the middle row. We're gonna do both the middle and the rear, okay? So I'm gonna come on this side, and then I'm gonna come right here and do the same thing that I did on that side. So I'm gonna take this lever, look at that. The seats are flat right here. Now I have to go to the back, the rear, to do those seats. Now what I'm gonna do with that is, I'm gonna come around here, and then I'm gonna pop the trunk, press the button. It should be, oh, I'm going the wrong way. Here it goes, press the button, let it come up automatically, just like that. And now we are in the back, okay? So now that we're in the back, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this lever, look at this right here, and I'm gonna pull this. Nothing happens, right? That's because the lever's down here. You see that? I just pulled it down there. Now let's do that again so you can see exactly what happened. So I was right here. This lever does not. There's on the side right here. Look what happens. It lays down flat. And then I come over to this side and there's one down here. Look at that. They're both flat. Now look at all that cargo space that is inside of there. Look at all that cargo space. All right, I'm gonna let you look at from the other side. And you have it like that. You see that? So I'm gonna come back around here and I'm gonna put the seats back into place. And put them back into place. Remember the one that was on the back that didn't do anything? Use that to pull it up. Get this headrest, pull that back up. Take this one, pull it like that, and get the headrest. I'm gonna come back on this side. Take the seat, pull it back into place. Remember, get the headrest, and then come back around all the way. And do the same thing for this side. Pull that headrest, center seat, pull that up, and that's how you lay the seats down flat and, of course, put them back upright. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.